Hey people, welcome back to my channel. So these are some fruits in Jamaica. Jamaica's soils are very rich and fertile, and there are a lot of fruit trees in Jamaica, and this time of the year some fruits are in season. So the first one is the star apple. Yeah man, there are two varieties. You have the green skin and the purple skin. Always choose the purple skin because they are sweet and nice. Whereas the green skin is not sweet, it's milky, you know, not nice. So the purple skin is the best one. So the next fruit is my favorite fruit in the entire world, and it is the nestberry. Although it is called neeseberry in Jamaica, it is my favorite fruit in the entire world. It is now in season. Always choose the neeseberry with thin skin because the ones with thick crusty skin are not nice. How to eat the apple or the Jamaican apple. It is called by several different names depending on the Caribbean island. However, it is from the Pacific Island. It is now in season. There are different varieties. You have the ruby red, and then you have the dark red. The dark red is the one that most people like because it normally sweet, but not always. You know, I prefer to use the apple to make drinks. So if you look through my videos, you will see recipes that I uploaded using this apple. You know, the skin is easily bruised and it is sponge like. The apple is sponge like and very water like cucumber, but you know, sweet. So yeah man, this is part one. Stay tuned for part two. Thanks for watching.